Are you looking for academic excellence? We're here to make your academic journey easier and more exciting. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and let's take your learning to the next level. Look at this shape. A triangle. What makes it special? It's a polygon with 3 sides and 3 angles, but there's so much more to discover. We'll start with the perimeter. The perimeter is simply the sum of all 3 sides. Now let's find its area. Imagine we have 2 right-angled triangles that are similar to each other, just like these on the screen. Now watch this. What happens when we place one triangle over the other in just the right way? They come together to form a perfect rectangle. The area of this rectangle is simply the product of its length and height. Since we use 2 triangles to make this rectangle, each triangle's area is exactly half of the rectangle's area. And there you have it. The area of a triangle is half the product of its height and base. Pretty amazing, right? Different types of triangles. An equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle where all 3 sides are exactly the same length. Not only that, but all 3 angles are equal too, each measuring exactly 60 degrees. The perimeter is just 3 times the length of one side. The area of an equilateral triangle is product of square root of 3 to the square of side divided by 4. An isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle with at least 2 sides of equal. These 2 sides are called the legs, while the third side is known as the base. Not only that, but the angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal. Perimeter is the sum of product of 2 to length 1 leg to base. The area of an isosceles triangle is half the product of its height to the base. A scalene triangle. A scalene triangle is unique because none of its sides or angles are the same. Perimeter of scalene triangle is the sum of all sides of a scalene triangle. Area of scalene triangle is as shown. Right-angled triangle. Right-angled triangle is distinguished by its 90-degree angle. Perimeter of right-angled triangle is the sum of all sides of right-angled triangle. The area of right-angled triangle is half the product of its height to the base.